Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're looking at a new product, the Meater Plus. Okay, so this has just been released. It's the Meater Plus, and it's a brand new bit of kit for the UK. The Meater has been out for a while now, and the Meater is really good when you're staying close to your barbecue in your kitchen. If you want to go a little bit further afield and wander around, then the Meater Plus has got a bit more range. So we're going to be testing that and looking at that today. So visually, the two units look the same, the Meater and the Meater Plus. But the difference is, with the Meater, the probe talks to your phone or device. And with the Meater Plus, the probe talks to the base unit, which then talks to your phone. This gives you much better range. Let's test that and see how it looks. Okay, so for my test, I've got the Meater Plus there and the Meater there in this beautiful state. I'm going to shut the lid. I've got my app set up with both of them on, Meater Plus and Meater, and I've got both units to the side here, Meater and Meater Plus. Okay, so let's see how far away we can get with this signal before it cuts out. Okay, so I've got both signals here to about here, and the Meater has cut out. The Meater Plus is still reading okay. I'm going to keep going. Still got good signal, good signal, good signal. Still got good signal. Still got good signal. Still good. Still good. It starts cutting out there now. Still good on the Meater Plus. Start walking back. And we start picking up the Meater about here. Okay. Yeah, here is the Meater. So the Meater Plus gives you that extra distance up there, which is pretty good. Okay, so as we can see, there's a lot more range on the Meater Plus. You can get right up the top of the garden there, into the house a bit more, so really loving this extra distance you can get on the receiving on the Meater Plus. Really good bit of kit, really good. Yeah, it's just out, so if you like my review, remember, subscribe to me, let me know you like what I'm doing, and these are available now from Meater. Okay, cheers.